Good day, everyone. My reflection about the IoT, M2M, and big data made me realize how technology quietly works in our daily lives. Before, I thought devices were just tools we use. Now I understand that many devices can actually communicate with each other and share information without us noticing. So, machine to machine, or M2M, communication showed me that technology has been connecting devices for a long time. It focuses on direct communication between machines for a specific task, like an ATM talking to a bank server. This made me see how technology first started as a simple and direct communication just to get things done. Then I learned about the Internet of Things, or IoT, which is like a more advanced and connected version of M2M. Instead of just two machines talking, many devices can connect to the internet and work together. Smart homes, smartwatches, and even smart cities are examples of this. It made me realize how technology today is designed not only to function but also to make life easier and more comfortable. So, what really caught my attention is how IoT works with big data. IoT devices collect a huge amount of information every second, and big data help analyze and understand it. It is like the body and brain working together. Devices gather information and system process it to make better decisions. This topic made me reflect on how powerful data is. When used properly, it can improve safety, save money, and save our lives more efficient. For example, smart farming and smart vehicles show how technology can help people make smarter choices in real time. Overall, studying IoT and big data helped me appreciate how connected our world has become. It also made me realize the importance of using technology responsibly because the data we create every day we can shape the future. So that's all.